Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a plan with me in my Filofax Pennybridge pocket, and I have posted a flip through of this, so make sure you check that out. I will leave a link down below. So this is my planner routine. Every week I would do exactly this, and I hope that you get inspired by what I do with my planning routine on a weekly basis. So first, I have a list of the things that will be happening for the week ahead, and I usually plan like this on either a Saturday or a Sunday, but today I filmed this on a Friday because I had a little downtime. And I will start with the weekly pages, and this is from Mira at 𝐌𝐢𝐧𝐢𝐬𝐭 in Instagram. But before I do that, I will write down all the important bits that will be happening on my inbox. And this card is from Puffin Pages Go, and it is a printable card, and it's a freebie. So both the insert and the inbox card are freebies. I didn't pay anything for these, so these are great resources. So the inbox is a quick reference for the things that will be happening in the week and my goals, such as my YouTube schedule and such like. And then I would write down the details of those onto my weekly pages. These are really perfect for the way I plan, and I love that the days run from left to right. So at the top boxes you have your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and at the bottom it's Thursday through the weekend. And then you have ample notes pages at the very bottom of the page. But on the days, I will write appointment, deadlines, and big tasks. I also like to color code or highlight the information on the weekly pages, just so I will have an idea of what I need to do right away without even reading what's on there. So for the notes at the bottom, it's divided into three. You have two columns on the left, and I like to just line that up using my STAEDTLER pens that I've had for quite some time. And then I divide it between work and YouTube, which are my major tasks, but I also have random or miscellaneous notes section on the right page. And after that, I will put back my bookmark, which I made myself using transparency film, and then go to my schedule page. Now, I accomplished this on a daily basis, just like a dailies would be. And this just has my weekly schedule, and I like to keep track of how I'm spending my day. I also have a tracker as well as a to-do list on here, and of course I have my weekly overview. This is a really nice insert if you like to plan your schedule. And then I have my daily inserts, which are from Puffin Pages Go, and these are once again freebies. There are variations of this that you can find in her shop, which are great as well. And if you really like them or this format, go ahead and make a purchase. It's not very expensive. It's very easy to print out and cut, and the lines are thin, but they are not too thin that you can hardly see them. They're just made really well, and I am very happy with my inserts. At the top I write my overview, and actually I'm very happy about getting back into daily inserts now, because I have learned to plan weekly when I was in a B6, but this is nice. And I'm also using my Hobonichi Weeks, but I use that as my memory keeper or my journal. And after I filled out my dailies, then I am done. And that's all for us today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.